If I got a too small chest and a bright pink lipstick, you wanted to kiss
看这里，我是你们生的吗？
my own head, baby.
不是，那你在干嘛？什么都不会。
No, I'm never gonna get them all. Yeah, that's what makes me feel lonely. Always never. It can never ever happen to me. 'Cause I'm that girl, tall girl. Boy, I got a small girl fantasy. Baby, would you feel me? Oh my God.
你原谅我。
If I care about all those things that you care, then I'm not yours. Yes, you're wasting all your time for some stupid things, baby. I'm already yours. You keep asking me, do I really suit you? Do I really look good, girl? I don't understand you. All you have to do is smile and at me like there's no one interrupt us, cause that's all I need.
巧克力主持，哇塞，你觉得这是什么口味的？巧克力口味的是吧？黑暗料理界哦，啊，你觉得？